bet you guys can't hear it though. Anyway, sorry if I don't talk a lot. That's just me. Good old Derpy Piggy. Anyway, don't forget to leave some comments below. And something weird happened. We went back in time. 'Cause look, Sir Piggy's not dead yet, or that little piggy guy. He didn't die. That's amazing. Nope, he died. He's in my inventory. Oh, frick. He died? Anyway, we can make a chest for him. There. It's so sad, right, guys? Hashtag saddest day ever. Now all we need to do is grab a sign. One of these bad boys. Put that right there. Yeah, here. Anyway, so let's get to it. There. Ted's dead. Wait, I didn't even put him in his coffin yet. I didn't do that. All you guys were like, Derpy Piggy, you're an idiot. I'm not, guys. Don't say that. There. Actually, you know what? It's honorary to make a full wooden thing. There. But you frick. You did do it. Otherwise, surface, like most of this video is just me sad because Ted the pig died. But things like that I guess happen. You can still make one bed. Anyways. By the way, guys, do not subscribe to Isle Hard Horses 66. Do not. Do not subscribe. She's a horrible gamer. Don't even look at her videos. They're horrible and horrifying. She does really bad stuff. Like horrible bad stuff. Okay, everybody? So just don't subscribe to her. If you do, I will be sad and angry with you. Because she's a horrible person. She does horrible things to horrible things to good people. So, don't subscribe to her channel and you'll be safe. Well, hopefully. Anyway. Do that, and now I will break all this dirt and stuff. But yeah, guys, if you don't subscribe, then I'll be happy. And you'll see me very happy. Anyways, let's get straight to it with this. I'm really liking my little place up here. It's really nice. Okay, now all we need to do is get some more birch. I really hope I get some apples. I want some apples. Anyways, this video might just be me collecting supplies and doing stuff. But guys, anyway, I would like for you guys to subscribe and like all my videos. Don't forget to put some comments down below on games that you would want me to play. Okay? Don't forget to do that. Anyways, let's get straight to it. Collecting all the birch. So guys, we got somebody panting like a dog behind me. Sheepy, die. Okay, got him. Okay, anyway, I say anyway a ton, so if you don't like me saying that, just put in the comments below. Sorry. Oh, frick, it's a creeper. Frickin' die, creeper. Frick you. Anyway, as you know, chickens are our worst enemy. Frick you. Frick, that guy's strong. Yay, I'll click that. Okay, click that. No, back. Yay. Anyway, let's get straight to it. Got some clay now. We can do some stuff. I'm so sad Ted the pig died though. But somehow he came out of his grave and into my inventory, but we reburied him. I've got 21 birch, now let's see how much I get out of that.